How to use member sites in Squarespace. So here I am in my Squarespace dashboard, and then from here, let's go to the website editor. So we can just click website, and then from here, if you want to create member sites, you can go to pages. And then from here, you have the main navigation and then the not linked navigation. So it's up to you if you want to put a member site either on the not linked or on your main navigation. So the difference is that when you put your pages right here in the main navigation, they will be seen right here in the main menu. If you put it right here in not linked, what you can do is that you can put like a button that will lead to that specific image. So for example, I'll just put the member site right here in main navigation. So you can just click the plus button, and then what you can do is that you can scroll down and then go to content and memberships. From here, you can see a member site, and then you can choose a template that you want. So for example, I will choose this template right here, the first one. Then it will now create a member site right here. So I'll just use the default name, and then from here, you now have this member site template. So you can go ahead and customize this however you want. And then the thing is, with using member sites, they come with a pricing plan. So for example, you have like a subscription for your members where they can pay every month to be a member of your website, or you can offer also free memberships to your website visitors as well. So you can do that inside of the pricing plan. So just click add a pricing plan, then click create pricing plan. So from here, you can go ahead and modify the pricing plan however you want. Like for example, you can have like a gold subscription plan, and then you have the description right here, and then you can include the benefits right here. Like for example, over 20 hours of video content, unlimited lifetime access, and so on. Then you can put a fixed amount right here, or you can set it up as a subscription, or you can set it up as a free membership. So it's up to you, whatever pricing that you will want to use right here. So for example, I'll use free membership as an example. And then I'll say get free, and then get free anytime access to our growing collection of classes, workshops, and exclusive content. Exclusive access to content, and then unlimited lifetime access. And for the pricing, we'll set it up as free. And then once you're done, you can also set up sign up limits if you want. So for example, like if a person signs up to this, you can insert a start date or end date, but I'll just turn it off since this is a free membership plan. Then click create. Then what you need to do is that you need to add a sales page so that your users can go ahead and become a member. So for example, let's go back. We now have this member site right here. Then we can also have a sales page right here. So you have different templates right here. So I'll just use the first one. Then right here, let's say this is the sales page. Then from here, we can go ahead and click edit. And then you can offer different tiers of pricing plans right here. Like for example, you have 3 right here on the template, but we're just going to use the free membership plan right here. And then let me just delete this. And then you now have this. And then I can also put like a text right here at the side. Like already a member, go to the member site. And then let's put a button right here that will go to the member page. And then let's attach the link to the member page right here. And then that is it. So now we can save this, then we can exit, and then let's view. So now we have the sales page where the customers can go ahead and sign up for a free membership right here. Then once they are already a member, they can just click this page right here, or I mean this button, to go to the member page. And then that is basically it. So that is how you can use member sites in Squarespace. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.